What it do? It's your boy Sneakerhead Days, and we back on the beat once again, you know what I'm saying? Hey, look, I'm feeling wonderful, of course, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm just getting up out the bed, and man, like I said, I'm feeling wonderful, man. How y'all day going out there, man? How y'all feeling out there, man? I'm energized. I'm goddamn electric right now, man. Like, how y'all feeling right now, man? I hope y'all wonderful right now. And we got all this coronavirus going on out here. Coronavirus, goddamn Budweiser virus, goddamn, it's so many viruses out there, man. Like, you don't even know. We don't even know what you got. There's so much out there. It's like, man, how do I diagnose myself? What is this feeling that I'm having? Do I got the coronavirus? I don't even know what I got. I'm feeling woozy. I might got the coronavirus. Man, get y'all dumb. But yeah, guys, man, it's just too much going on out there, man. I hope all is well with everybody out there. Of course, by the title of this video, man, which is pretty simple, you know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be a pretty simple video today, man, so I really don't want to keep y'all long. Today, I'm gonna be giving y'all 6 amazing tips on becoming a sneakerhead. Whether you existing sneakerhead, whether you a brand new sneakerhead to the game, man, these 6, not 5, but 6 amazing tips, man, I feel like, bro, you can incorporate to your game. Really not even all tips, but really just suggestions, things and suggestions. I feel like, man, it's essential for becoming a sneakerhead, bro. Things that, you know what I'm saying, I ain't gonna lie, have helped me out a lot through this journey, you know what I'm saying? Just helped me get through a whole lot, bro. So these 6 tips, man, I'm gonna drop on y'all right now. But before I actually get into the tips, guys, man, I wanna make sure all my newcomers are subscribed to the 2.0 family, man. Scroll down right now. Hit the freaking subscribe button if you're new, man. Hit the notification bell, because y'all already know, man, we lit is all I can get, man. You don't want to miss any of this content, because we live is all outside. Goddamn, man, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you don't want to miss this party, because we got a whole lot going on. Subscribe to the channel, man. Subscribe to your boy. And let's get at it. Let's get into these tips, family. My very first tip to upcoming and existing sneakerheads is to, 1, be versatile. Now, I know many people like have like a certain brand of shoe that they actually like tied to, whether you like all Jordans, whether you like Adidas, whether you like Fila, whether you like Air Force Ones, where everybody got like a certain type of shoe that they like the most. And that's cool. But I say the thing is with me, man, just being versatile, just being able to actually like wear whatever shoe you want. Like, if you like a shoe, dude, don't be afraid to actually go out there and get it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Because you feel like you just so tied to this certain brand, dog. Don't be afraid to step out your comfort zone, bro. Be versatile, bro. If you a heavy Jordan fan, if you want some Air Force Ones, you think they dope, or you see some foams or something out there, bro, you think dope, bro, get them, bro. Like, bro, it's all about versatility, bro. At the end of the day, you are a sneakerhead, bro. Like, you're not a Jordan head. You're not an Air Force One head. Like, you know what I'm saying? You're not an Adidas head. You are a sneakerhead, so you're not specifically tied to one particular brand. Dude, go out there and get what you like, bro. If you see some shoes you like, go out and get it. And this kind of leads me to my second tip. Tip number 2, always go out and buy what you like, bro. Do not get caught in the trend of buying what everybody else got, bro. I see so many people do it all the time, where it's like a shoe that come out, they may not like it, but they see somebody else like it, you know what I'm saying? They end up getting it. Then at the end of the day, when pretty much things all said and done, you know, you get the shoe, you get it home, you know what I'm saying? You decide like, dang, bro, I really don't like this shoe. All because you was basing your thought patterns off somebody else. You seen somebody else with them and just end up just getting them just based off what, you know what I'm saying? Because they got them. Like, do not be that person, bro. Get what you like, buy what you like, bro. It's your money, bro. You work hard for your money, bro. Whether you get it from parents, whether you working for a dog, you get this money to actually buy what you like, bro. You don't want to buy what you don't like, bro. I feel like you want to be satisfied with your purchase, bro. Like, you spending $200 for a pair of shoes, bro. You better like that pair of shoes. I ain't finna buy no pair of shoes. I ain't really just like it, not no more. The old me, I can say the old me definitely was in that craze of just buying shoes, perhaps just to like get content out of something like that, and I end up like, damn, bro, why did I actually get this shoe, bro? If you don't like a shoe, bro, do not buy. Always buy what you like. Tip number 3 pretty much ties into the second tip. It's all a connection. Tip number 3, do not fall into the hype, bro. I just said that, bro. I was just pretty much talking about that. Do not fall into the hype. When you fall into the hype, you tend to buy things that you don't necessarily want. When you actually like going out, you buying stuff and you end up like, you know what I'm saying, you don't like it, bro. You know you don't like it. Probably you'll see somebody actually with it, you know what I'm saying, you'll see your cousin, you'll be like, damn, man, I'm hard, bro. As soon as you get in, you like, damn, bro, I don't even like these. I'm trying to sell these. Goddamn. I've been caught in this trap so many times where I actually get a pair of shoes and not like them like months down the road, just pretty much all based off how I was feeling in that moment. I was like, man, bro, I might like these shoes, bro. End up, it ain't even the case, bro. So I feel like when you buy shoes, definitely be considerate of how you may feel down the line of like, you know what I'm saying, you getting shoes. Make sure you gonna like it. You see that shoe, bro, you know what I'm saying, you see that shoe and you just be like, man, I made a good purchase, you know what I'm saying, 5 months ago. I think this definitely was a good purchase, bro. I always feel confident about your purchases, dog. Tip number 4, do not, bro. Do not, I'ma say it again. I'ma say it 3-4 times. Goddamn. Do not be afraid to wear your shoes. I don't care what nobody say, bro. We buy shoes to wear them, bro. Wear your shoes, bro. You buy your shoes to wear them. It's like, we not walking around barefooted, bro. You know what I'm saying? I know we got several amount of shoes, bro. Some people got, you know what I'm saying, 30, 50 pair of shoes, bro. Like, no matter how many pair of shoes you got, bro, not be afraid to wear them. You are spending your hard-earned money, like I was just saying, on these shoes, bro. You like them, wear them. This is what you buy them for. You didn't buy them to actually sit up. They gonna get old after, you know, 5 or 10 years. They gonna start yelling. You gonna start feeling like you just wasted your money, bro. Get what you can get out of the shoes that you buy, bro. You wear these shoes. You buy these shoes to wear them. And the thing about this, bro, it's always gonna be another pair of shoes that's gonna come out. So if that pair of shoes get old, especially like with retros, bro, wear that shoe, bro. Shoe gonna come out 4 years, 5 years later down the road. You know what I'm saying? Get it again. Repeat the process, bro. That's all you gotta do. Wear your shoes. I advise anybody, bro, like, to wear your shoes, bro. What are you buying shoes for? Like, if you not wearing them, what are you doing? Tip number 5, understand the power of resale, bro. Resale is probably one of the most profitable personal business as it comes to sneakers there is. Resale, bro, can make you a lot of money, bro. Don't let these folks fool you out here, bro. These folks get money off of reselling, bro. I know I've seen people, bro, making $10,000, $15,000 a month just reselling shoes, bro. Like, real talk. I know it's like real sneakerheads that don't really just actually get into resale, just pretty much based off the love of the shoe. But bro, at the end of the day, bro, it's a business. We out here, you want to make money, bro. You definitely want to make money in this game, bro. You don't want to just be the one that just not getting nothing out of it. The benefits of having the shoe is always wonderful, but if it's like, if you can make money off of what you love to do, you like to collect shoes, if you can actually incorporate that into a business, bro, like, oh my god, bro, the sky's the limit for you. You gotta think, like a pair of Jordan 1s, bro. Y'all know exactly how the Jordan 1 resale, the Yeezy resale. Y'all know how the Yeezy resale go. The Jordan 1, the Yeezy, those probably the most profitable shoes there is to resell out there. Y'all know this. So it's like when you get a pair of Yeezys, bro, you know they're gonna be hot. And you at the point where it's like, I don't know if I should actually keep these or I should actually sell these. From a business perspective, bro, if you feel like you can make $500 or $600 off a $200 shoe or $150 shoe, dude, like, bro, come on, bro, you gotta think logically, bro. If you spend $200 on a shoe and you make $600 off the resale, dog, think about this, bro. Think about the math, bro. This one pair of shoes, though. If you spend $200 and resell a shoe for $600-700, bro, think about the profit margin between it. Just think about it. Think about like how much money you can have in your pocket. I'm rich, bitch! These shoes are always gonna come back out, bro. These shoes, you're not missing out on anything when you don't cop shoes. So it's like, think about like long-term goals, bro. What you want to do, like, you know what I'm saying? What are you trying to do? Are you actually just wanting to just get shoes and just get them, or do you actually want to make a profit out of it? You gotta think, like, you gotta really think ahead, like when you in this game, bro. Resale, bro, do not underestimate resale, bro. People are making real buku bucks out here doing resale, bro. Come on, bro. Think outside the box. And my last and final tip. Tip number 6, right? Always be patient, bro. Be patient. If your collection not building as fast as you want it to, bro, be calm, bro. It's on the way. Like, dude, bro, do not rush the process, bro. Trust the process, bro. I'm trying to tell you, bro. It's so many times where I kind of like I think like, damn, bro, I want this pair of shoes in my collection so it can like fit in, like with all the other shoes that I got. But if it's not the time to get those shoes, bro, do not stress yourself out, bro. Money comes and goes, shoes come and go, bro. There's so many like opportunities to get shoes, bro. It's like, man, I say you definitely don't want to go out and spend money you don't have just because you feel like there's a hole in your sneaker collection, bro. Shoes, at the end of the day, shoes are cool, bro. But, bro, to be honest, bro, shoes do not matter at the end of the day, bro. When you got 50 pair of shoes, bro, losing one pair of shoes is not gonna hurt, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it ain't gonna hurt. So, bro, definitely be patient, bro. Be patient in this game, bro. You are gonna get the shoes you desire, bro. Whether you're trying to get some real high dollar expensive shoes like me right now, I'm actually trying to go out there, those Asteroid foams, the Weatherman foams. Bro, there's so many foams that I want right now that I can't actually get, but I know I'm gonna get them. It's just like the process behind it. Like, I know it's gonna take time because I know these are more expensive shoes. I'm not finna break the bank on trying to get like shoes that $1,000. Nah, dog. I'd rather save up my money or try and get it at a cheaper price. Balance out everything, bro. Everything is all about balance, bro. So I feel like being patient, bro. Definitely be patient. And one final additional tip to tip number 6, bro. If you don't get shoes on release date, bro, it is all good, bro. Think about this. Think about the Jordan market, right? Think about the Yeezy market. Think about how Yeezy is actually dropping these days. Yeezy used to be so limited. Now they dropping a pair every 2 weeks. They dropping a pair every 2 to 3 weeks, bro. Jordans, they drop every freaking week, bro. Every freaking week, bro. It's something new coming out, bro. It is something new coming out. So for you to be actually upset, that you didn't get a pair of shoes, bro, is beyond me. I know if it's a pair of shoes you like that you didn't get, bro, it's always gonna be a shoes. It's always gonna be a pair of shoes that's gonna be coming out within a 2-week period that you gonna like again. You gonna like this pair of shoes and you might be able to get them. It's just another chance for you to be able to get them. So it's like, I wouldn't be just, you know what I'm saying, just upset about the fact that I'm not getting a pair of shoes, that I don't have the money at the time, bro. It may just be a safety, you know what I'm saying, a safety on you because like you don't got the money, so why spend it, bro? You don't need to spend that money. If you got the money and you don't actually get the shoe, just save it for the next pair of shoes. You know what I'm saying? Don't be upset. Life is just too short, bro, to actually be sitting and being mad about not getting a pair of shoes, bro. Come on, bro. It's not the end of the day, bro. Pick yourself back up, man. 2 weeks, bro. It's gonna be another pair of 3s coming out. It's gonna be another pair of Yeezys coming out. Trip, bro. Do not trip. But yeah, guys, man, I hope you guys enjoyed these tips, man. You know what I'm saying? Or these suggestions, I might say, bro, to upcoming sneakerheads, to existing sneakerheads. Something I feel like y'all may add to y'all repertoire into actually the sneaker game, bro. Just incorporating it into the sneaker game. Because I ain't gonna lie, I use every single tip that I just gave y'all, bro. I'm giving all y'all the game, you know what I'm saying? I'm giving y'all the game of Sneakerhead. This how I move, you know what I'm saying? So it's just all about, like, you know what I'm saying? Just each one teach one, you know what I'm saying? Each one teach one at the end of the day, bro. And yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you smash that freaking like button if you like the video, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Y'all already know, man. Sneakerhead Dez 2.0 family, man. We lit. It's all I can get. So it's like, man, we going up every day, man. Every day we going up, man. I just want y'all to be a part of it, man. You know what I'm saying? I just would like for y'all to be a part of this gang. Goddamn, man. We lit. But anyway, guys, man, Sneakerhead Dez, man, we finna sign up out this thing in 3, 2, 1.
Shout out to my mama, cause she taught me to finesse. I'm the king of the jungle, bitch, I'm beating on my chest. I knew I would fly way before I left the nest.